Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith in for Rob. It is Wednesday, November 5th, 2025. Hope you're doing well. All right, so we just got done with another live event here in the WealthCharts live training room. Again, every day, Monday through Friday, from 9:30 to 11 Eastern. And then on Tuesdays and Thursdays, in addition to that, I do an 8 to 9 a.m. as well. Okay, so with that, folks, when we got into the room at 9:30 today, again, this is the 9:30 right here. What I said was here we're really at the point of control, and so it's either going to obviously act as support or resistance. In this case, it wicked down and held support here on the volume profile, which is the point of control in this case. And then once we got trading after the first 10 minutes, we can look for longs. We have the flat bottom with room to the upside. Okay, so that was the bias to the upside based on the analysis right at 9:30. Okay, so now when you go to the NASDAQ here on the 1-minute chart, folks, the NASDAQ on the 1-minute chart, and you can see the 9:45. We had news to navigate as well today, and there was 10 o'clock news, so I don't like to trade going into news. But then once the news cleared, we had the pullback here. And again, very, very important here, folks, just kind of let you know, when you have pullbacks back in the direction of the trend, you see how we stayed in a buy zone. Okay, we had a TRP cross, a Laguerre as well, flat bottom Heikenhachi candle. This was the trade we took today in the WealthCharts live trading room. I got 20 ticks out of that. Okay, so let me clear that out. 20 ticks. Others got a little bit more depending on how long they held on to it. But then what's really important here, folks, is after that, we kept getting divergence here. And we kept getting back and forth. I call this Christmas lights, right? So a lot of questions come up on, well, how do you trade when there's back and forth movement? And the question is, I don't. We didn't take any more trades that entire morning. We used it as education, learning different ways to look for that. Because that's key, folks, okay? If you tried to go long here multiple times during these wicks here, it failed every single time today. Okay, that's not good trading. All right, folks, again, hope that helps. If you want to come and join me tomorrow, again, you just click up here in the main menu. You go to education, and then you'll see here WealthCharts events. Okay, so let me just click on that for you, WealthChart events. Put that on your screen anywhere you like. Here, I'll expand it for you for now. And then you can see if I click on Thursday the 6th, right here, 8 a.m. Eastern. Okay, 8 a.m. Eastern. So hope to see you tomorrow. Have a great day, everyone. Take care.